I welcome you back in One in All YouTube channel. This is day 9. Today I will give a second practice exercise on a top or a upper row. You have to type the above given paragraph starting from QITOW to YYEQT for about at least 45 times. While typing, at the beginning, if you type slowly and later on you can increase your speed. Avoid the use of backspace key and try to type the above paragraph without doing a single mistake. I will also like to tell you that this practice exercise are designed by me by taking so much effort, and if you follow this exercise and do what I have told to do you, then you will achieve your goals, means you will achieve your typing goals. So that's it, that much. Thank you so much.